Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Python, dictionaries are a versatile data structure that allows you to store key-value pairs. While dictionaries in Python do not have an explicit append method, you can add or update key-value pairs using the assignment operator, smiley face, or the update method. Here's a tutorial on how to append or add elements to a dictionary in Python. First, let's create an empty dictionary or a dictionary with some initial key-value pairs. To add a single key-value pair to a dictionary, you can use the assignment operator, smiley face. To add multiple key-value pairs, you can use the update method or multiple assignment statements. It's a good practice to check whether a key already exists in the dictionary before adding it to avoid overwriting existing values unintentionally. This ensures that the value is only updated if the key doesn't already exist. In Python, dictionaries are mutable, and you can easily add or update key-value pairs using various methods. Understanding how to append or add elements to dictionaries is crucial for effective manipulation of data structures in your Python programs. ChatGPT